Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you are anything like me, you are constantly focused on the road ahead, and you want to ensure that your vehicle functions at its best capacity. That's why today, I am thrilled to introduce to you the P10 Procar OBD2 head-up display digital speedometer on-board computer. This incredible electronic accessory is a game-changer for any car enthusiast, and I cannot wait to share all of its amazing features with you. First and foremost, the P10 Procar OBD2 head-up display digital speedometer provides you with real-time data about your vehicle's performance, including speed, engine load, temperature, and more. With this device, you can stay informed and in control of your car's vitals at all times, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. Not only that, but this head-up display also comes with an overspeed alarm and engine fault code feature, so you can address any potential problems before they become major issues. It's like having a personal auto mechanic right there with you on the road. In addition, the P10 Procar OBD2 head-up display is incredibly easy to install and use, making it a hassle-free and invaluable addition to any car. With its sleek and compact design, this device seamlessly integrates into your dashboard, adding a futuristic touch to your vehicle's interior. I cannot recommend this product enough for anyone who takes their car's performance and safety seriously. It has truly revolutionized the way I approach driving, and I know it will do the same for you. So, if you're ready to take your driving experience to the next level, I highly encourage you to check out the P10 Procar OBD2 head-up display digital speedometer on-board computer. Trust me, you won't regret it. Be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews on the latest and greatest automotive accessories. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.